enable farming, enable equip road, auto cast, auto shakes. Guys, it's working amazing, as you can see. What is up, people? It's your boy Scroll World, and in this tutorial I will show you how I got Fisch Macro, AFK auto farm, and everything, guys, you will ever need for this mini game. So you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices, so just follow my steps, guys. It's absolutely free, safe and online, and you don't have to download anything. So it's online, and we will connect it through API. We will send it to our Roblox account, and we will have everything ready. So guys, go to Google or any browser you got and navigate to this website. It's called appsneak.com, and click on Delta Executor. And there we will have to enter our user ID of our Roblox account, guys. Go to Roblox website and log into your account, and go to this link on your profile and just copy your profile link. And let's get back to the tool and paste your profile link. It will extract your user ID. Click continue, and guys, it will search for our account. It's really important to get user found. So nice, we got it. So we'll select this, import Delta Executor account ID to account ID, and click this, and then we will have to select pre-installed script. Guys, for Fisch Macro we will have to pre-install this Forge Hub, and I will enter this name hider because it's fun. It's most important, guys, Forge Hub to select, and click continue. We are also banned protected by this website. Nice. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of tutorials. And yeah, so yeah, we got into this step. API is connected. Nice, guys. So we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha, because there's a lot of malicious bot attempts. And guys, we got our unique key. As you can see, our Delta Executor will be automatically connected with our unique key. So just click I'm not a robot, and it will redirect us to the last step until we get our Delta Executor and Fisch Macro script. So guys, we will have a list of 6 tasks, so we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, make sure to click free, click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play or App Store if you're using your iOS devices. So guys, it's really important to follow their instructions. So for this game, you will have to download and install this app, then run and restore Kingdom 6. And for this, you will have to download and complete level 9 to unlock. So guys, make sure to only complete 2 tasks from this list. It's enough to get verified, and we will get then redirected, as they said. So what will I do now? I will download Dice Dreams, and I will download Travel Town, and that's pretty much it. What will I do now? So see you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back, and let's see together what will happen, and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed Travel Town and Dice Dreams tasks from this list, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. Guys, I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So let's see, guys, will it actually redirect us? So nice. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is imported to your account, guys. Our user ID connected, and our Delta Executor key is ready and imported. Let me show you guys. It's mine. Everyone will get its unique key. So let's go to Roblox and let's test Fisch script, guys, that we pre-installed. Let's go to Fisch, click play, and let's see what we will get. Okay, so we should get keyless Roblox executor and pre-installed. Nice. Nice, guys, as you can see, we got our Delta Executor, and let's see now, will we actually get pre-installed? As you can see, guys, Forge Hub pre-installed. We will also search it on script blocks. Forge hub. And guys, there we go. Click there, click execute selected script, and it will load our script, guys. So let's stay there and let's see how does it work. So as you can see, you will have farms. Nice. Farms. Enable farming. Enable equip road. Auto cast, auto shakes. Guys, it's working amazing, as you can see. Yeah, it's working amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. So appsnake.com is amazing website where you can get this Fisch Macro script, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay updated with all these kind of tutorials. I will record more. So yeah, once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.